Hello everyone. Let us solve this sum. A cube minus b cube is equal to 35. This is cubic equation. And a minus b is equal to 5. This is linear equation in a and b. We have to find out values of constants a and b such that these two equations will satisfy. So, solution. First of all, rewrite both the equations. A cube minus b cube is equal to 35. Suppose this is equation number 1 and a minus b is equal to 5. This is suppose equation number 2. Step number 1. In step number 1, a cube minus b cube is given by a minus b its cube plus 3 times ab into bracket a minus b. Put 1 and 2 in this equation. Hence, a cube minus b cube is replaced by 35 is equal to a minus b is replaced by 5 its cube plus 3ab into bracket a minus b, which is replaced by 5. Hence, 35 is equal to 5 cube, that is 125, plus 3 into 5, 15ab. Divide both sides by 5. Hence, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 125 divided by 5 plus 15ab divided by 5. This gives 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Hence, this equation can be written as 7 is equal to 25 plus 3ab. Hence, 3ab is equal to 7 minus 25. Hence, 3ab is equal to minus 18. A into b is equal to minus 18 divided by 3. That is minus 6. Hence, AB is equal to minus 6. This is value of AB. Now, step number 2. In this step, we have to use this formula. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B in another bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Put 1 and 2. 1 and 2 in this equation. Equation 1 is a cube minus b cube is 35 and equation 2 is a minus b is equal to 5. Hence, 35 is equal to 5 into a square plus ab plus b square. Divide both sides by 5. Hence, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into a square plus ab plus b square divided by 5. Now, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Hence, this can be written as 7 is equal to a square plus AB plus B square. But we know AB is equal to, we have obtained, and which is minus 6 put here. Hence 7 is equal to A square plus AB is replaced by minus 6 plus B square. Hence taking this minus 6 on left hand side, 7 plus 6 is equal to A square plus B square. 7 plus 6 is 13. Hence A square plus B square is equal to 13. But from equation number 2, we know A minus B is equal to 5. This implies A is equal to B plus 5. Replace this A by B plus 5 here. Hence B plus 5 its square plus B square is equal to 13. Expand this bracket up to the power 2. Hence B square plus 5 into 2, 10B plus 25 plus B square is equal to 13. Collecting this B square and this B square, hence 2 into B square plus 10B, taking this 13 on left hand side, plus 25 minus 13 is equal to 0. Hence 2B square plus 10B plus 25 minus 13 plus 12 is equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 2. Hence 2B square upon 2 plus 10B upon 2 plus 12 upon 2 is equal to 0 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Hence B square plus 5B plus 6 is equal to 0 upon 2 is 0. And consider this is equation number 4. This is quadratic equation in B. Let us solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. We have to find out factors of 6 such that their addition will be plus 5. So 6 is equal to plus 3 into plus 2. Hence B square plus 5B plus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as B square plus 3B plus 2B plus 6 is equal to 0. Taking B common from these two terms and 2 common from these two terms. B into bracket B plus 3 plus 2 into bracket B plus 3 is equal to 0. Now take this bracket common. Hence B plus 3 in one bracket and B plus 2 in another bracket. This is equal to 0. But you know A into B is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or both A and B is equal to 0. Hence here we can write B plus 3 is equal to 0 and B plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies B is equal to minus 3 and this implies B is equal to minus 2. Now for B is equal to minus 3, we have to find out value of A. But you know A minus B is equal to 5 and B is minus 3. A minus of minus 3 is equal to 5. A plus 3 is equal to 5. Hence taking these 3 on right hand side, a is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence, first pair of values of a and b is a comma b is equal to 2 comma minus 3. And if we substitute b is equal to minus 2 in a minus b is equal to 5, which is equation number 2, then a is equal to 5 plus b, but b is minus 2, hence a is equal to 5 minus 2, a is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Hence another pair of values of a and b is 3 comma minus 2. In this way, we have obtained values of a and b, which satisfies given two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Let us verify our answer is correct or wrong. So, we have two equations which we have to satisfy. A cube minus b cube is equal to 35 and a minus b is equal to 5. Case number 1. For ab is equal to 2 comma minus 3, where a is 2 and b is minus 3. Let us satisfy these two equations. Hence, a cube minus b cube is equal to 2 cube minus 3 cube is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 3 cube is minus 27. 8 minus into minus plus 8 plus 27. 8 plus 27 is 35. Hence a cube minus b cube is 35, which is satisfied. And you know, a minus b, a is 2 minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We have satisfied both these equations for the pair of values of a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 3. Now case number 2. For a comma b is equal to 3 comma minus 2. A cube minus b cube is equal to a is 3, b is minus 2, 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 cube is 27 minus 2 cube is minus 8 is equal to 27 minus into minus plus 8 is equal to 35. Here we have proved a cube minus b cube is equal to 35. Similarly, second equation, a minus b is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 5. In this way, we have proved second equation also, a minus b is equal to 5. Hence, there exist two pairs of values of a and b. ab is equal to 3 comma minus 2 and ab is equal to 2 comma minus 3. And this is answer. Hence the solution. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.